guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time seeing my face, you're welcome. Please do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to leave your comments down in the comment section. It's very helpful to my channel. And if this is not your first time, you're welcome back again for tuning in. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you being here. Without talking too much, let's get right into the video. All right, so in today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you guys my affordable filming setup, basically my equipment and everything I use to film my YouTube videos, and I'll even go into telling you guys the cost. The first item I'll be talking about here is this tripod I'm actually filming on. It's called the UB-size 67 inches camera tripod with Bluetooth. Guys, this tripod is very sturdy, and I actually made a video of some of these items, so you guys should do well to check out my camera or unboxing video. I have that video somewhere on this channel, so please do well to check out that video for more details. As you guys can see from that video, I told you guys I've been using it for a long time now on my camera, but I have not had any issues with it, and it's very strong. It's not shaky at all. And the cost of this was $36.99. I can't put the Naira price because, as I said, I can't put the price in Naira because I don't know what the current dollar rate is. As at the time I got it, I don't even know how much it was then, because I actually used a dollar card to get it, so I can't give you the Naira rate. But as at the time I got it, it was $36.99. With that being said, let's go right into the next item that I film with. Manfrotto mini tripod. I use this for vlogging a lot, and also like when I'm doing shots at home, I really don't have to bring out my big tripod except I'm doing a sit down video like this. So this one comes in very handy for vlogs and also for shots at home. And this one, I actually made a mistake. I was supposed to get the smaller one, but no, I actually got the big one, and it was $38.19. I heard that I think there's a cheaper one for $19 or $20, something like that, but I got this one that is $38, and yeah, that's what I use for vlogging, and I actually put it on stuff to do like videos in my kitchen or even on my table. It's very good, and it's very sturdy, it's very strong. You can turn it 360. I like the mini tripod. It's really strong and durable. So the next item I'll be sharing with you guys is my SanDisk, or will I say my memory card. So this is what I use. This is what you put into the camera actually. So this is what you put into the camera that actually stores your footage and everything. So the one I got is not this one. This one actually came with my camera, and I'll explain that when I'm talking about my camera. But the one I use that is currently in my camera that I'm using now is the same SanDisk product, but it's actually the SanDisk 128 gig Extreme. So this one is not Extreme. This one that came with my camera is not Extreme. It's actually Ultra, but the one I'm using now is Extreme, and it's actually 28 gig and 128 gig, and I got that for $24.35. So the next item I use for filming is this Rode mic. It's currently on my camera now. That is what you guys are actually hearing me from. It's the Rode microphone video micro compact on camera microphone. That was a lot. So that is what I'm currently using to film. I might be able to show you guys, but as I said, I have a video of all these things already on my channel, so if you want to see the unboxing of this and everything, please do well to check out my camera unboxing video and other videos as well. And this one cost me $53, and it's quite a lot for a microphone because I already have the other mic that I'll show you guys in a minute, but I still got this one because I've just wanted Rode, and again, I can do vlogging with this one. I don't have to like carry long wires or all those things along with me while vlogging. So that's why this one comes very handy, and I don't have to like plug anything to my shirt unlike other ones. So that's why I feel this one is very handy, but it's quite on the high side. Not even really high compared to other ones, but yeah, as I said, it's $53. And the next item I'm going to be talking about is my Boya mic. So I got this Boya mic a long time ago, even before I started filming on my camera, and this is how it looks like. It comes like this. You just clip it to your shirt, and I have not been using it because I misplaced the noise protector that is supposed to be on it, and you guys know that Nigeria is a very noisy country, so I don't know how I'll be filming this stuff without the noise protector. but this is what I use to film. The quality of this stuff is very good. You just clip it to your shirt or somewhere here if you don't want it to show in your video, and film, and you're going to get your very crisp, clear sound. So this one was about $19, I guess. It's not as expensive as this Rode microphone, but yeah, that is what I used to use. Sometimes I've not used it ever since I got my camera, but I plan to start using it once I'm able to like get something to cover the mouth, because this country is very noisy. If you're filming and there's noise in your video, I don't think it's very pleasing to the ears. So the next item I want to show you guys that I use to film, or that is very essential to this whole process of making videos, is this Lakey hard drive. It's actually the Lakey L9298 rugged mini 2 terabytes. So this one is 2 terabytes. They have the one for 5 terabytes, 10 terabytes, I think, but I got the one for 2 terabytes. Guys, this thing was so expensive, and it's what you actually, this is more like a hard drive. I no longer use my computer that I'll show you guys in a minute to edit, because it's very, very difficult. Like, it puts so much stress, editing puts so much stress on my computer, and it started running, the battery started running flat. Sometimes it gets hot, it starts making some very funny sound whenever it's processing, especially when I'm using the software that I use to edit. I'll also tell you guys in a minute. So this thing came very handy. Ever since I got this stuff, I no longer edit directly from my computer. I edit through this thing. So, and I store my videos here, because it's very important for you to store your YouTube videos. You don't know what's going to happen with YouTube tomorrow. YouTube might just decide to pursue all of us or send us away, but we already have my videos in here, and also on my memory. I don't really store much on my memory card or my SanDisk, but I store my videos here. So this is like my computer hard drive. I don't use my computer hard drive anymore for editing, to save the life of my computer. So yeah, this is what I use, and I got this for $89.99. And I forgot to add that the reason I also got this particular one, because trust me, there were also some cheaper ones you can get that is not as expensive as this, but I got this Lakey apart from the fact that it was reviewed by my favorite, one of my favorite YouTubers, Manfrotto. I also like it because it's very sturdy. Like, if you throw it, I'm not saying you should throw it, but if it eventually falls from, you guys know I have kids, eventually falls down from them, or they pick it and throws it on the floor, it's definitely not going to ruin the hard drive. So that is why I got it, because I know my kids play a lot with my stuff. So it's very sturdy. It has this rubber stuff around it that helps it from ruining the hard drive itself. So yeah, I really recommend this. The next item I'll be talking about here is my computer. The computer I use is this MacBook 2018. So this is an Air, MacBook Air 2018. So this is what I use to film my videos. I can't remember the price I got this when I got it, but I actually got it at Best Buy, and that was because I needed it for school. So after my program, it came in very handy for YouTube. Other than that, I usually use my phone, guys, to film and edit. Like, most of my videos, my old videos, before I came back, I've actually been using my phone. So if not that I needed it for school, even before I even started filming on my phone, I had a laptop, but I never used it to edit. So this one, I started using it to edit after I got it in 2018. So this is very good. It came in very handy, although I would like to get a Pro in future, but for now this works just fine. I don't think I have any problem or complaints with it. As I said, I can't remember the price, but it was in 2018 I got it. It's a long time ago, and I got it in store, not like I got it online that I can just go and check the price. So that is it. The next item that I'll be talking about that I used and it's very important to my filming is my phone. So most of my vlogs I film on my phone. So up until recently I got this camera that I'm currently filming on. I've been using my phone, and the phone I use is the 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro Max. That is what I've been using to film all my videos, all my vlogs up until I have this camera. I had this camera. Even after I've had this camera, most of my vlogs I still vlog on my iPhone 11 Pro Max because it's very convenient and easy for me to use outside. So this iPhone 11 Pro Max, I don't know what the cost is now. As I said, I got this when it was released in 2019, and I'm not looking forward to changing it anytime soon, even if Apple just brought in to iPhone 13 Pro Max, but I don't think I'm going to change my phone anytime soon because this one works just as well. So the next thing that I use, or that is very important to my filming process, is this camera that I'm actually filming on now, and it's the Canon M50. I got this not too long ago, and you guys can check the unboxing video as I said earlier. And I got this for $698.99, and that is because it came with a couple of stuff. Like I got it in a bundle from Amazon, like virtually everything I've told you guys except my laptop, and my laptop that I got from Best Buy, and my phone I got from Apple. Every other stuff I got from Amazon. Like every other filming gear I have, I got from Amazon. So Amazon is a very good place to shop. I already made a video about that. I don't know if that video is going to come up before this one or after this one, but shop from Amazon if you're looking for a reliable place to shop. This video is not sponsored. So this camera, what I'm filming on, is a Canon M50. I love it so much, guys. I was actually thinking about getting rid of it because I felt it was too big and bulky to carry around, but I changed my mind. I'm not getting rid of anything. Instead, even if I'm going to get any smaller camera, a compact camera, I'm going to add it to this one. So this is going to be like my main camera. This camera, as you guys can see, the quality is very good. If you know how to work with it to suit your own skin tone or to your own setting. Because if you check on YouTube, you see a couple of YouTube video setting on how to set this camera up, but sometimes it's not good for your skin tone. You're not white, you're not Caucasian, you know, so it's just good for you to know the setting that works for your skin tone. And yeah, a lot of people use manual, some people use auto, some people use, like me, I use programming, which is P, and it works just well. I just do a little tweaking and I use P, and P is perfect, as you guys can see. Like it just suits my skin tone. I used to use manual, but it wasn't this very beautiful and clear and creeps on my skin tone, but I changed it to P and it worked just as great, like even much more than I expected. So it's the setting that is just the main deal with this camera. If you know how to set it, you're going to get very good quality out of it. And one good thing that is very important when it comes to camera is your lighting. Try to have very good lighting because it's very important. That is what's going to help your video get very crisp, clear quality, so you can actually film with even your phone, but make sure that you have very good lighting. Here I have two windows, one here and one in front of me. This is just my closet, or will I say my wardrobe. There's no lighting here, but if I had lighting here, it would have really helped this part of my face that is looking a little bit dark, but it works. We just have to manage with what we have. But as I said, lighting is very important when it comes to filming, and that is what really also makes and break your video. But this camera I really recommend. It's very good beginner's camera that you can use to film. The last but not the least, I forgot to add, that is my what I edit with. I used to edit with iMovie because it's free with my computer, but recently I started editing with Final Cut Pro, and I love Final Cut Pro. I've always wanted to get a hang of it because I know it's what I'm going to use like long term, so I figured I should just start using it now, so I get very confident and feel at home with it and get to know most of its stuff, to basically how to manipulate it. So I've started using Final Cut Pro to edit my videos, and I love it. And Final Cut Pro is not cheap. Yeah, it's not just cheap anyways. So with that being said, guys, that is all the equipment I use to film, and that's my filming setup. And for my room, here I film in my room. It's not a studio, it's my studio / my room. So basically these are my shoes, these are like some little decors. This is just basically my room. That is my background. So you can use anywhere to film YouTube videos. You don't have to maneuver. Why am I even preaching like I've arrived? Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I wanted to share a little bit behind the scene of what I used to film my videos. Whatever I didn't show you guys, then I'll definitely show you guys in the screen. Maybe when I'm editing, I'll just video it and film it and show you guys. But I also forgot to add that my bundle that I got came with very good stuff. It also came with an extra battery. Extra battery is really needed for your Canon M50 or any camera at that, because you don't want to be filming and the camera packs up or dies on you. So it came with an extra battery, which is why I really picked that bundle. Okay, so with all that being said, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, let me know down in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up, a comment, a like, share my videos, and I really appreciate you guys being here. Till I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.